welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia came out with her brand of shirts. It's called the Christmas edition. Cheap and Clean, her brand. And her shorts, they're very nice. So maybe you would like to go out and get yourself one. Marcia selling shirts and sweatshirts, t-shirts. And as you know, she's selling her sheets and blankets and stuff as well. But go ahead and watch and see what Marcia is showing off, the new thing or the new addition to her sales. And go see her sweatshirts. It has a different variety of stuff on it. And she says this is her edition, Cheap and Clean brand. So go ahead, and it's for members only as well. Members only shirts. So go ahead and download it. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have yourselves a wonderful day.
Right, me wear tights with it. And if me don't want a big, yes, give me a tie. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I am here with my Christmas edition sweatshirt. So me want all of my lovely supporter them roll out. Me when you don't see me there, me go away and me come back. And me just come back. Cause me sit down with him, make sure say me tell him what me want and fix up it nice and pretty. So me have Marcia Everbless special edition sweatshirt with hoodie. You can get t-shirt and you can get with hoodie and without hoodie. And remember, say this is for Marcia members only, people them and the people them who die-hearted. Marcia. You have one with cussing word and you have one without cussing word. So you choose the one where you want without cussing word. Okay? These t-shirts are 100%. Them have the nice little what you call it? It's like a fleece blend inside. And me make mine them in red. And you can get them in different colors. So me want all of my lovely supporter to come out and support Marcia's special edition. Special edition. Are you ready for the reveal? Are you ready for the reveal? Put some love sign up. I said, are you ready? Are you guys ready? My shirts them are ready. And they are made to order. Are you ready for Marcia special edition Christmas special edition shirts? Up and running. Big up to Ultra One Printing. I tell you, Ultra One Printing. Big up to Ultra One Printing. One of the best in Hartford, Connecticut. Yes, my dear. So go to ultraoneprinting.com. Yes, my dear. Are you ready? I said, are you ready for Facebook turn up? Are you ready? Drum roll. When me see 200 people, me reveal me special edition t-shirt. And trust me, I send it to a lot of people in WhatsApp and they order, honey. They order. Yes, my dear. So come up. If Una Marcia Everbless die artist, support her. Yes, my dear. Una ready for Marcia Everbless hoodie? And without hoodie and t-shirts? Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. I tell you, say it looks so pretty, honey. It looks so pretty. We're 200 people. Come, 200 people, let me reveal it. 200 people. Big up to Ultra One Printing in Hartford, Connecticut. Come and get your flyers. Come and get your cup. Come and get all the little things them done. Him do all kind of work, all kind of birthday card, wedding invitation, all kind of sinting, seasoning bottle, cup, and all kind of sinting, juice bottle, and all kind of sinting. So come and get up on a sinting. The bottle, if you not do a little bottle, they put a little seasoning in and all them sort of something there. Uno flyers and uno card, uno get married, uno want uno card design, all kind of way. on a business card, all kind of different, on a nail, on a hairdresser, on a juice, on a this, on a that, on a what, not. Well, see there, big up to ultra1printing.com in the house. Yes, me dear. Yes, me dear, all the way over there. So if you don't want to get no dance all flyers, to get to the show up and running. Yes, me dear. So so we're ready for Marcia. I mean, I catch a girl, yeah. So oh, she come a chat and I go like, yeah, she a put food in a me pot. Where 200 people there? 200 people. Share the video. Me now release the phone too dead. 200 people before me release my new line. Yes, me dear. Marcia Ever Blessed Big Deal shirt. Yes, me dear. Yes, me dear. I tell you, where is it? 200 people. 168 to go. I'm not going to reveal it until I get it. 200 people up and running. I said 200 people. I tell you, share the video. 200 people before I reveal. Come out. Come and get on a lovely sweater. Yes, winter clothes, winter t-shirt. And trust me, this will be a continuation of my stuff, and hacks no question. I had a trademark and I go on a website and I trademark it and I went and I get whatever I need to get. So make them come and copy it now because I have it. I have it. I said I too can play this game. I too can play this game. I too can play this game. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yes, my dear. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? 200 people in the house. Are you ready for Marcia's special edition? What does something look pretty? I tell you, it looks so pretty. I tell you. Hurry up, come, hurry up before everyone dead. Let me reveal my beautiful members only boss t-shirt, honey. Members only boss t-shirt, honey. Members only boss t-shirt, honey. Come up, or 207, yes. So without further ado, people, ladies and gentlemen, members only people, come and get a lovely sweater and come support. And come support Sister Ever Bless in the house. I wait say right there. So look here. Drum roll. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, my dear. Watch ya. Don't you love it? Tell me if you don't love it. Tell me if you don't love it. Tell me if you don't love it. Special edition is right there on the sleeve. Special edition. Tell me if you don't love it. Tell me if you don't love it. We said it's close. I say one. Marcia Ever Blessed Big Deal. Bigger blood clot deal. FUBITCH. Yes, man. Cheap and clean, I tell you. Curly members only boss. I'm a picture right there, so. Whoa. I said, show some love in the house. Right there, so. Marcia Ever Blessed Big Deal. Bigger blood clot deal. Yes, it's right there, so. And we nice yellow members only boss right here, so, honey. And we picture right us up and curly right up in the house. Wanna love it? Say love it, love it, love it. Come out and get no sweatshirt. Come out and get on a sweatshirt. Yes, my dear. I will not catch a girl yet. So how then come a chat and I go like Ray, we say Ray. And see the regular one here. See the regular one with a hoodie. See the other one with a hoodie right here, so. Right here, so. So see the regular one here. Yes, man. See the regular one here with a hoodie. Right, I mean, yes, pretty. So these are for the members who only fan who die-hearted supporter. And it's not going to wash out. See there? Me right there some members only boss right up in the house. Right there some Marcia Ever Blessed Big Deal, bigger deal, FU, whatever. I said cheap and clean, I tell you. And we have the cleaner version. Yes, my dear. I have the cleaner version. It's on the t-shirt. They were supposed to print my so we have the cleaver version. So all the supporters them we don't want this word, but me want me die supporters them get the one with whatever. So all the haters them fuck you bitch. Bitch is out there. Yes man, to all the haters them. Right yes sir. Right yes sir. Right yes sir, me dear. Special edition. Special edition. Right there so. For the members only. Right here. Members only. Right here so when you see it here so. You know see a curly right up in the house. Yes, so come on and get on a shirt. Come on and support. And we have without hoodie. And if you look inside, you can see a warm clothes. Because see the fleece inside. Ultra One Printing no sell nothing unless a good quality. Him have a name, where him stand for. And see it there, right there so. Ultra One Printing, right here so. Right here, so. I see the hoodie here. See the hoodie right up in the house. I'm going to throw it over me right now. Yes. All right. See the t-shirt here? Hold on, let me show you the t-shirt. If you want to cut off, you know. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. And if you want t-shirt, the t-shirt is here. Members only t-shirt. Right there, so. Members only t-shirt. Right there, so. Special edition members only. So if you want the t-shirt, I use a Marcia Die Artist supporter. Yes, my dear. And we sit down and we DM and spend hours and we print it and we do what we have to do and we just do whatever it is. So come on, Marcia Ever Bless supporters and Sita Wana. This one I don't have no cursing word. So if you want, we're gonna print without cursing word on the sweatshirt. So any colors you want, we have every color and we have a big size that we can get. So if you wear 1X, 2X small, 4X and 2X, we have it. So Ray up in the house, big deal, bigger deal. Cheap and clean. Yes, child. I tell you, Curly members only boss. And right there, so Curly there, so right here, so right there about the place, right there, so. So this is come out and support. Come out and support. It's cool time now. Come and get your. And if you're in Jamaica, you can have a t-shirt from Jamaica. You know, me I come, you can carry it down and wear it and support. So when you see anywhere, want to know, say Marcia Ever Bless this. Special edition. Special edition. And see the sweatshirt here. See the sweatshirt them here. Nice and thick. And these are mine. And you get it. Big up to my friend them from Atlanta. And my people them who order them shirt. Them gonna get print. And it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And this is a Marcia Ever Bless. Yes. Marcia Campbell, big deal. Watch out. Look on a word here. Look on a blood clot word here. Bigger deal. Bigger deal. Bigger deal. Fuck you, bitch. Right there, so. Bigger deal. Cheap and clean. I tell you. Curly. Yellow boss in the house. And Curly picture. Don't fuck yourself. I too can play this game to come and get it. You see how my stuff, them all them pretty. You see how them well made nice. Yes, my dear. Bigger. Bigger deal. Bigger deal. Bigger blood clot deal right there, so. Big deal. Bigger deal. Right there, so. All the haters fuck with a bit, right there, so. That is it. That is so. Right there, so. And it close them ready. And the t-shirt them, you can get the one without cursing word. So all the people that want a cursing word, we take out the FU and we put in yes child and tell you. So we replace the FU bitch with yes child. Yes. That is it. So come out, come and order. So get order on a clothes and a t-shirt and a hoodie. Right there, so. Right there. So this right here, so, is a 2X. Right there, so it's a 2X. Right here, so, is a 2X. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. Nice. I tell you. I tell you. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. So, come and get to the hoodie. And as I said inside, it have the fleece. So it is very warm. So me want me Die Artist supporter. And you have right here so on the shirt. You have members only. Special edition. Right here so. Right there so. So we're ready to go. We're ready to go. You will take the hoodie. No joking, people. One must come and support me. No joke. Come and support. It's cool time now. When I want something looking nice to represent Marcia, support Marcia. And no joke, me not joking business. A business me I come for do and stuff. Business. Yes, business I'm coming for do a business myself for 2024 and stuff like that. So business. So when me go, me come live, I'm going to try it on and everything. So that is it. So right there, so come out and get in a shirt and we print it and we're ready to go with production. Yes, that is how it is. Yes, the one with the hoodie is going to be 45. The one without is 40, and that's how much it's going to be. Yes, and you know the t-shirt is up and running. The t-shirt is up and running. So come out and support. Me want all the members only to come and support. Me want all the members only to come and support. And you can get it, this one print on your clothes. And if you love Marcia, see Marcia picture there. If you represent Marcia. You understand? Because I don't want nobody looking at me eye. Because my eye is my gateway to heaven. So me just have my sexy pose. Look at that. Me just have my sexy pose right there. Yes, my dear. I'm a nice, look how my nice members only boss. Yeah, look how members only boss nice. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. So come out and get on your clothes and support Marcia Everbless. And they have different color. We have gray, we have purple, we have black, we have all of that. And I'll be selling my t-shirt them and my clothes. So this one right here, we have it. It's gonna be our look. And come out and support it. And me'll get me look something print out and put on my truck and come out and get it. Them look nice, me not lie. Me do a wonderful, I must say that me have to go make a ultra one printing. I have to make me come out and create some style and fashion, cause I mean I tell him exactly what I want and I'm tell him, and him do such a awesome job. And I tell us, you know, people, I sit here with him, you know, a long time with you know. I've been here over 2 for you see me come. Me left and go away. I sit here for almost 2 hours and had. Cause remember say I have a work I do. If I get this done. If I dip on the computer and him design everything and as simple as you see this. It takes time and patience. Because he's a perfectionist. He have to make sure say it is something line up properly. It get into the box. And all the things them. So I've been here from I left. I go away for about maybe an hour and a half and I just come back when it finish. So I'm letting you know that, and it's there, good quality, and the shirt have fleece inside. See the soft fleece inside. So these are good quality t-shirt. Me love the red, yes. So come out and get on a hoodie, and this is a special